everyone, this is Mona and welcome to Butterfliez Home and Garden. I am so excited, guys. I have the first of one of my most recent purchases came today, and this one is coming from HSN, and it is my juicer. Yay, yay, yay. So let me get you set up and propped up here, and hopefully I have a good angle on this. Sorry for the hand. I think that's pretty good. Now, we all know I am not a pretty unboxer, so I am going to try to do this. I mean, this box is a little beat up, so I hope that is not an indication that something is wrong with the item. But yay, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. So let me show you what it is. It is a, hold on, let's get this big boy out the way. It is a, well, I don't know if you can see it down there. It is a Cuisinart juicer. I am so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the box, get it set up. I'll bring you guys back in so that way I can do a little demonstration with you. So I'll be back in a moment, guys. Well, okay, guys, I am back and ready to get started. Got everything set up. Got me a bowl of some carrots, cucumber, oranges, and Granny Smith apples. If the apples are small enough, it will fit in here. Wait a minute, let me raise this up a little bit because you can't see the top. There. If the apples are small enough, it will, you know, fit down the chute. But these apples were pretty big, so after unboxing everything, you get, of course, your manual, and you get the little brush to clean the pulp out. So let's get started and see how this tastes. I am so excited, cannot wait. So I'm gonna just put it on the first dial, and you press the button to get started. You need to make sure that this, and it is a dial over here, and the dial is, it helps control how much foam you get in here. So let's start with an orange. Nope. Maybe I need to turn that a little bit higher. As it goes all the way up to 5, I'm gonna do 3. Cucumbers. Get a whole lot of juice. How's that froth control though? Doesn't look bad. Let's put a handful of carrots. I don't have any big carrots, so I'm just using what I have. It definitely has a lot of power to it. Wait, because I don't want it to go past the full line. A little bit more froth than I like, so let's turn it that way. And let's add apples. very frothy. And it has this little divider inside of this pitcher, so I'm hoping that that takes out some of the froth. I don't like frothy smoothies or juices. And per the instructions, it says to wait 45 seconds before you remove that pitcher. That just ensures, I guess, every drip and drop is out of there, so it doesn't make a mess. So let me get a cup while I'm waiting on that. Okay, the moment of truth. I would say it's been 45 seconds. And then you want to close this valve off. And when it comes out, that is what it looks like. And let's pour. Oh, okay, I see what it does. And that's good. Very, very good. Definitely taste the cucumbers. I mean, I taste them all. And you can see when you pour it, there's no froth because this little separator up there, when you pour it, it kind of catches all of that froth. I have to say I am satisfied. Yeah. Yeah, I like it a lot. I got this. I do have a NutriBullet. But being diagnosed with fibromyalgia, the medication is so harsh. The side effects are really, really difficult to deal with from the medication. And I just started doing some research on juicing versus the NutriBullet versus Vitamix. And after I did that, just came to, realize that having a juicer is a way to go, as well as having the other two as well. But there are a lot more nutrients in just simply juicing and separating that pulp out of there to help with inflammation, which anybody with fibro knows that that's pretty much what fibro is just major inflammation in the body. And the rain that we have had over this past summer, even if it was a muggy rain or a cooler rain, I definitely felt a difference in my body as far as the pain level went up. So living in Ohio, where we have all 4 seasons and have some really brutal winters, I really just wanted to be proactive on trying to find a solution to help aid and hopefully can do away with me eventually, not needing to take the medication as long as, juicing is working. So that is the reason why I got a juicer. I am very impressed with this juicer. I did a lot of cost comparison because I don't believe in just buying the first thing that I see. So I got this from HSN. It was by far the best one. It was more compact than some of the other ones that I had looked at on Amazon, Sam's Club, and even Walmart juicers. And it just had the functions that I wanted. So I am completely satisfied with this, and we'll be using this on a daily basis and probably throughout the day. If it works, hey, I am a happy woman. And the cleanup you know, isn't that difficult. Let me kind of bring you in. And the beautiful part about the pulp that's left over, I can put it in my compost bin in the garden. But you just take this, and this just lifts back. And you're going to take the brush that they gave you, and really, honestly, I would probably just use my fingers. Yeah. It's much easier. You know, use a brush to just kind of get everything just kind of scraped out. But I am very satisfied with this, guys. So anybody who is desiring to have or purchase a juicer, I will say this Cuisinart juice extractor is really, really good. It has a large 3-inch feed tube. It's 1,000 watts of power. Juices hard and soft, fruits and vegetables, and has 5 speeds. Very simple. I mean, just really, really simple. I'm completely satisfied about this. I am excited that it came today, because we're about to get some more rain. And between the fibromyalgia and arthritis in my knees, this baby right here is going to come in handy. So guys, overall, this gets a thumbs up, an A+, excellent, whatever word that you can use that means good, that's this. So as always, be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers to you.